Okay, so welcome back. So now, example 3. Okay, example 3, problem solving. Okay, look here. On a drawing drawn to a scale m to 1, the thickness of a strand of hair is 2 centimeters. Okay, so if the actual thickness of the hair is 0.05 millimeters, find the value of m. Okay, same thing, we need to gather information. Okay, so from here, you realize that they give the scale factor is m2 n. Okay, maybe I can write here. M21, sorry, M21. So then they say the thickness of a strand of hair is 2 cm. Okay, so this is I, O. Okay, so from here, we know that the actual thickness of the hair is 0.05, meaning 0.05 is the actual hair, so it is the object. So object 0.05 mm. So this one, they're using the scale, and then the thickness of the hair is 2 cm. So this will be the image. So 2 cm. So now you know that this is not the same. The units are not the same. So we have to convert and make sure that the units are the same. So how are we going to do it? Well, it's up to you either you want to make it in millimeter or in centimeter. Okay, but to make it simple, since this question start with m to 1 and then there is 2 cm, so it will be better if we change the millimeter into centimeter. So we will get 2 ratio to what? 0.005, right? Because you just divided by 10, right? Okay. Okay, next, do the same method as I showed you before. So this one will be m over 1 equals to 2 over 0.005. So m equals to 400 centimeter. Okay. I hope all these examples could give you a hint how to answer this question, because we are using exactly the same thing from the beginning. Okay, so I will give you the exercise in the Telegram group. Okay, that's all for this topic. I hope you can understand 3 things. First is about how to write the scale drawing. Okay, so I know, like, in the scale drawing, I have mentioned before, you need to write in the general form when you are about to finish to answer the question, like 1 to n. It must be in the form of 1 to n. But in the questions, okay, like this one, it is like 400 to 1. So, but for the question, it's okay, it's up to them. But in terms of answering the questions asked by the lembaga, okay, by the Ministry of Education, you have to write 1 to n. Okay, and then the second part is, of course, how to draw. We have discussed before, you also need to know how to draw based on the grid drawing or on the scale drawing. You should know the length and the scale. Okay, and then the last one is, of course, about solving problems. Solving problems, it involves a lot of calculations. I assume that you have to know the basic information about ratio, which is 1 to, like, I to O. That is the basic one. And then you know that ratio is equivalent to, like, division, like 1 over, like, I over O. That is what it means. And then from there, we can derive calculation. Okay, so that's all for this topic. We will see you in the next topics soon. Bye bye.